Welcome back. I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the dorsal metacarpal veins. Firstly, where are these veins located? The dorsal metacarpal veins are located on the dorsal surface of each hand. If we take a closer look at the veins on the dorsal surface of the right hand, we can see the dorsal metacarpal veins highlighted in red. Where do these veins originate? These veins originate and receive blood from the dorsal digital veins at around the heads of the metacarpal bones. What are the courses of these veins? These veins run proximally up the hands between the metacarpal bones. These veins end by draining into the dorsal venous network of the hand. The dorsal venous network can be seen here highlighted in yellow. In addition, oblique communicating veins run between these veins. These oblique veins can be seen here highlighted in blue. What is the function of these veins? These veins primarily function in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the dorsal surface of the digits and metacarpal region. From here, the blood drains into the dorsal venous network of the hand and onwards up the arm on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the dorsal metacarpal veins. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.